We know that we are always dreaming, and we think, and we have already got so many people saying that we need to dream big, we need to do great things, we need to really create a better world and all these things. We're always listening to those kind of things, maybe everywhere we go, and everywhere we try to interact with people. At that time we used to hear those words, because always people are inclined to do something great in their life, and actually we are all inclined to do something good in our life, right? But we have that great intention to build up our life and do something great in our lives and make greater impact in others' life as well, but still we are stuck in, and our ideas are just in our head. We want to make an impact, we want to do great, we want to contribute, we want to create better world, but still we are not being able to do any kind of act. Why is that? Because we just have thoughts in our head, but those ideas is not being implemented in our action. So the very first thing to understand is that those ideas will die if we will just keep on thinking and not doing anything. So what is the most important thing to do or create better world, better human, or better self is that we need to start. And we need to start small, because if we try to do very big at the first time, it is not going to happen, because we cannot sustain that power, because our intuition, our motivation will fall down, because we feel that it is too big for us to conduct or to act. So it is important to start small, but the most important is to start. If we don't start, then we cannot do anything and we can go nowhere. Just like if we are in the car but we don't have the key, or we don't start the car, where to go? The car will be at the same place. So it is not something that we need to do great to start, but we need to start to do something great. So starting is really a great thing and really an important thing, and there is greater abilities in starting things than saying big things. So let's start doing something small, so that can make our life better and we can make impact in the world.